this was a cool lamp for your room and for your dorm room. It's got a little charging port, and here's the light switch. 3 settings. Give me your rating.
Okay, I just got it yesterday. It's nothing. It's only just a bedside lamp. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. I mean, it gives you a little light. It's a bedside lamp, but nothing that if you want light, this is not for you. So I'm going to turn it off now. 3.
Was actually surprised. This little light is actually pretty cute. It's got a plug for the cell phone. It's got 2 outlets for regular 2-prong plugs. 1, 2, 3, and touch it again and it's off. It works like it's supposed to.